This place reminds us of our responsibility to stay connected to our roots as we move towards modernity and take our art and culture to different parts of the world. This place is a real landmark in Canacona nowadays. Welcome to Lata Mangeshkar Kalangan, Canacona. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant inaugurated the Lata Mangeshkar Kalangan, a dedicated cultural space in Canacona, marking a significant milestone in the region's cultural landscape. He also stated that this venue, developed under the guidance of the Directorate of Art and Culture, is a tribute to the legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar. The main auditorium of Canacona, Lata Mangeshkar Kalangan, is named after former minister and Canacona-born legislator Sanjay Bandekar. The Kalangan project has been executed by the Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation. This place is a cultural complex in Canacona of a total built-up area of 10,571 square meters. The project comprises of auditorium with 800 seating capacity, rehearsal hall, art gallery, classroom for music, drama and dance, dormitories for visiting artists, cafeteria, administrative office, library, parking facilities and related supporting services and utilities. The Kalangan is envisioned as a vibrant hub for artistic expressions where various forms of art and culture can flourish and will provide a platform for local talent to showcase their skills and preserve the rich heritage of the area. Canacona is famous for its artists, especially tribal and folklore artists, and this Lata Mangeshkar Kalangan is dedicated to them.